Yeah, welcome to lesson 5. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about the C sharp or D flat scale. And depending on where you're coming from, it can be C sharp, it can be called D flat. Just like the city of Lagos in Nigeria, which is where I am currently. Depending on where you're coming from, Lagos can either be a fantastic city or not so good a city. If you're coming from one of the villages in Nigeria, Lagos will seem awesome to you, but if you're coming from Paris, France, then Lagos won't be so much of an awesome place to be. So, it is the same Lagos, but different feeling about it. So also C sharp. If you are coming from the back, this is C, like we learned, and then this will be C sharp because you have to increase C to get it, so you call it C sharp. But if you look at it from this side, this is D. You have to reduce D to get it. It is called D flat. So this is the same thing as C sharp as it is D flat. Now this key has a scale, and that is what I want to show you right now. So remember the formula I showed you from the C major scale. From here, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Now if we have to apply that here, from here to here is a tone, tone, you skip this, tone, you don't skip, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Now the right finger for fingering for playing it is to start with your number 2 finger. Do you see that? 2, 3. Number 1 finger tucks under to play this, right? Then 2, 3, 4. Number 1 tucks into play. If you notice, whenever I want to play the white notes, we always tuck this in to play it. That's it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. That's how you play. Now, the other song we learned in the previous lesson, which is on the C major scale, Mary Had a Little Lamb, we can play here and it will sound. So all you need is to know your do, re, mi, and the song is mi, re, do, re, mi, re, 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 mi, so, so. I use my pinky finger to do that. Mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do. So that's how you play that song on the scale of C sharp. Now you know the scale of C sharp, and at least you can play at least one song on that scale. I think that'll be enough for now, and that'll be all you need to know for now on the C sharp scale. Yeah, please subscribe to get notified when I upload more videos about this series of learning piano from the scratch, and share it with friends. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to like the video. It shows me that you really want the series to go on. And if you don't like it, it means that I would have to stop this series. But if you do, please hit the like button, and I will keep making this series. See you some other time.